Hello friends, welcome to Alphabet Yoga. The letter K is for kayak. Alright friends, hop down into your kayaks. Legs out in front of you, arms up high, reach forward, grab your paddle. There you go, bring it in towards you. Paddle. Let's just get out to the middle. Pretty cool. Let's speed it up. Paddle faster. Feel that water below you? Woo! Paddle, paddle, paddle. Slow it down, slow there. Slow it down. Let's stop. Lift our paddles up. Bring our paddles down. There you go. Lift them up. Real high. Bring them down. Are you ready for this? We're going to do a really cool kayak trick. Watch me. See if you can try this. Paddle, 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 paddle. Whoa! Are you doing it? Paddle, paddle, paddle. Oh, bring it down. Woo! Wow. Want to do it one more time? Let's do it again. Ready? Paddle, paddle, paddle. Oh, yeah! You got it. Paddle, paddle. Ready? Bring it down. Woo! Oh, wow. Stop. There you go. Nice. Lift your paddle up. Let go of your paddle. That was an awesome paddle. The letter K is for kayak.